Why does your scanner show the P2337 engine code? What does it mean? P2337 is a diagnostic trouble code for cylinder number 2 above knock threshold. The P2337 engine code for Indicate Powertrain Control Module (PCM) detected excessive abnormal vibrations or detonation engine knock specifically in cylinder number 2, triggering the check engine light. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Uncalibrated or new fuel injector. Faulty fuel injector. Damaged knock sensor or wiring issues. Worn spark plugs or faulty ignition coils. Carbon buildup or engine mechanical problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, BMW, Chevrolet, Jeep, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.